Yo, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I think this is one of the most genius ways to use TikTok for your e-commerce brand. Like, hands down, this is like 200 IQ level stuff right here. So in this video, we're gonna be going over this TikTok account that is selling a really popular dropshipping product that I for sure thought was dead. If you don't know what I'm talking about, well, you're probably new to the channel. If that's the case, welcome. What I'm talking about is something called dropshipping. So it's something a lot of people use to start their e-commerce businesses. So basically selling things online. And what's cool about dropshipping is that it allows you to ship directly from your manufacturer. So you don't need to make your own product. You can just find products that are already made and create an e-commerce store around them using Shopify. But the hardest part about it all really isn't necessarily finding products, because there's a billion products out there, but it's marketing them, thinking about how to actually create a brand that people want to buy from. So let's not waste any time. It's Monday, it's Valentine's Day. We all should be spending time with our significant others. So let's just get into it right away. The brand is called Burnout Challenge. They actually just created a challenge out of this product. So just taking a look at their TikTok account alone, we can see that they have nearly 400,000 followers and over 7 million likes. Now, a lot of their videos go viral, so they're getting a minimum of, 20 to 30K views per video, which is actually insane. Like, the amount of impressions that equals out to be is pretty ridiculous, especially considering this is all organic. So keep it in mind, these people are not paying for ads. This is all content that they're posting for free on TikTok. So every brand nowadays can really be their own media brand. As an e-commerce store, not only can you sell physical products, but you can actually create media, and there's nothing stopping you from creating a billion videos about your brand. So this is why I believe that this is one of the most creative ways to actually sell a product, because as you can see, they've created a viral brand out of it. And really what they're selling is this 9-in-1 push-up board. For those of you that have been following me for a long time, you probably know or have seen this product in the past. It's been dropshipped by many people. It's been sold left and right, basically everywhere. You can probably even find it on Amazon. But this brand in particular created a whole ecosystem around it. And they created something called the Burnout Challenge, which basically what it is, let's just go to a viral video here. So this one, for example, has 3.6 million views.
Challenge for $20?
Yup.
All right, let's do it.
So,
So asking strangers to try the Burnout Challenge.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This is actually
9,
smart,
10.
because this kind of content would, first of all, people will watch a lot of it because they'll try to see how long these people can last. Oh, okay, so I see how this works. You just move it around. You move the handles around, and then you do more push-ups. So that's why it's like a Burnout Challenge. And as you can see in the comments, people are going absolutely crazy, dropping their memes, just totally roasting this guy. That's the perfect storm for a viral video and a viral brand. I don't think we're gonna watch this whole entire thing. As you can see, look at some of these comments are getting 15,000 likes, 12,000 likes. Like, this is some insane level of engagement. Remember, this is all organic. Even if 1% of the people that have liked this stuff have converted, that's like 70,000 orders. And 70,000 orders at $60 a piece, that's $4.2 million that this brand has potentially generated just with this one product and this one viral brand. So really clever idea, super genius marketing strategy. And I really want to start brainstorming some ways in which I can do this for my own brands even. And again, they just really found the perfect viral formula here. Asking strangers to do the Burnout Challenge. Who wouldn't want to watch that? People love to see people struggle through challenges and stuff like that. So it's really an ideal product for TikTok. And as you can see, people are commenting some crazy stuff. TikTok has some of the funniest comments, I'm not gonna lie. And one thing to keep in mind here is, if you are gonna take inspiration from this, use a hashtag. Like, if you're gonna create a challenge, for example, for your product, use a hashtag to get it recognized. I mean, if we click Burnout Challenge, we can see that this has 90 million views, this hashtag. That's crazy, guys. Like 90 million views, that's more views than my channel has combined. And it's for one particular product. And just to show you guys and confirm that this brand is actually drop shipping this product, we go to their shipping policy. And as you can see, they process within 3 to 5 days, but then they take 5 to 12 business days after that to get to the US. So in total, that's gonna run you about 20 days, 15 to 20 days in shipping times, which is the biggest downside to drop shipping. The shipping times can get pretty bad. However, a lot of times people are willing to wait if your product is really unique, and if you have some good customer service or just like a really cool brand around it. Anyways, like people will definitely wait for this because they know it's related to the burnout challenge. And if they're buying it, chances are they're buying it because they know about the burnout challenge. But that's pretty much it. You guys should follow my TikTok. I'll link it in the description. I've been trying to post a little bit on there. You know, I just post on there for fun, just random stuff about my life. So, I mean, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, that's probably a good way to do it. Follow my TikTok. And by the way, guys, I did create a new offer for Netsphere's wall art, which I've made myself. So you guys probably know Netsphere is my educational community. It's kind of like a university, but without the university cost, and it's way cooler, let's be honest. So you can check that out in the description. You can sign up and join the live calls, get the free course, all that. But I also have an art side of the community because I believe education and art go hand in hand together and meet in the middle at curiosity. I know that's a little corny, but it's kind of true if you think about it. Now, the art you can see on my wall. Every single video that I have, you see this art, and it's awesome, it's dope. And you can find it on this website. It's just netsphere.co. And if you buy one, you can get a second one for 25% off. So make sure you guys check that out. If you're interested in having some really good reminders that also look amazing, I mean, look at these. These are beautiful conversation starters. If you're having a girl over, she's definitely going to be like, damn, this guy is motivated. He's got that anime mindset. So it's definitely going to help you out. But with that said, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I hope you're enjoying the day, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. But that's about it. See y'all in my next video. Peace.